Top 9 All-Natural Cleaning Tips. You can make your own cleaning solutions at home for less money by using baking soda, lemon juice, white vinegar, and a few other common household ingredients. Here are the top 9 all-natural cleaning tips. 1. Clean your oven with baking soda. To begin cleaning an oven, combine water and 1 cup of baking soda to form a paste. Spread the mixture over the dirt and grime that has been collecting for months, years, or even decades, and let it remain for 30 to 45 minutes. Then use a scouring pad to scrub. Before utilizing this trick, self-cleaning oven owners should consult their manufacturer's manual. 2. Use vinegar or lemon juice to clean windows and glass. Use 1 quart of warm water and your choice of white distilled vinegar, apple cider vinegar, or lemon juice to remove accumulated window dust or grime. It only takes 1 quart of vinegar or 2 tablespoons lemon juice mixed into your warm water to make a great window washing solution. 3. Create your own homemade baking soda cleanser. Mix 1 quart of warm water with 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Although it won't disinfect, this all-purpose cleaner will clean and deodorize most surfaces. 4. DIY disinfectant. Store-bought disinfectants could include irritants like phosphoric acid, sodium hypochlorite, and sodium hydroxide. Try making a homemade alternative using borax instead. Combine 2 teaspoons of borax, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, and 3 cups of hot water to fight bacteria. 5. Create your own magic eraser. A damp sponge can be transformed into an eraser by adding baking soda to it. Clean ink, crayon, pencil, or scuff marks off painted walls by scrubbing them off with your magic eraser. 6. Utilize baking soda to eliminate stains from plastic or mugs. Wash your plastics and mugs in hot water and baking soda to remove any lingering odor and stains. To remove stains, apply a paste made of baking soda and water or dust the area with 2 or 3 extra tablespoons of dry baking soda. Let it rest for 1 hour and then wash. 7. For mold and mildew, use lemon juice and salt or white vinegar and salt. Mix lemon juice or white vinegar with salt, apply it to the affected areas, and scrub to get rid of mold, mildew, and other hidden bacteria sources in your home. White vinegar, borax, and baking soda can all be used in a similar way to remove mold and mildew. 8. Utilize baking soda, borax, and cola to clean your toilet. Shake some baking soda into the bowl of your toilet and clean with a brush to make it sparkle. Repeat the process with the borax, letting the acid sit for 30 minutes before scrubbing. Then pour in 1 can of cola and allow it to sit before flushing. 9. To unclog a drain, combine baking soda, vinegar, and hot water. Some of the dirtiest areas in your house include the sinks, tubs, drains, and garbage disposals. Pour half a cup of baking soda, followed by half a cup of vinegar, to thoroughly clear a drain. Pour a quart of boiling water down the drain after waiting 3 to 5 minutes for the drain to finish bubbling. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.